Good morning, students, and welcome to Pawan Tutorials. In today's lecture, we are going to solve the next questions from practice set 1.1. Let's discuss question number 4. Look at the question, look at the board, students. The question is 3, 7, 2, 1, 4, 8 are the given digits. Choosing any four of them, we can write many 4-digit numbers. Yes or no? They said that consider the greatest of them and write the double of the digits in the tens place of the number. Yes or no? Now let me write the digits, students, over here. The numbers are 3, 7, 2, 1, 4 and 8. Now we have to consider any four of them and we have to form the greatest number. So in order to form the greatest number, students, which order you will consider? Whether ascending order or descending order? Yes, descending order. So in order to form the greatest number, students, you will have to choose greatest four numbers from the given set of numbers. Yes, so over here, which is the greatest number, students? Come on, tell me. 3, 7, 2, 1, 4, 8. Yes, the first number is 8. So let us write 8. After 8, the next number is what? 7. So let us write 7. After 7, the next number will be 4. So let me write 4. After 4, which number will come, students? Yes, it is 3. That's it, students. That's it. This is what the greatest 4-digit number which we form with the help of the given numbers. Yes or no? Now tell me, what is the question, students? They have asked us to consider the tens place. Yeah. At tens place, which digit is there, students? Digit 4 is there. Yes or no? We have to double it. So, what is the question? Look at this. Write double of the digits in the tens place. So, at tens place, in the number 8743, we have digit 4. Yes or no? Tens place, digit 4. So, what is double of 4, students? Double means it is 8. Yes or no? So, 8 is there. In which option, students? Look at the option. The first option is 6. Second option is 8. Third option is 14. And the fourth option is 16. So, 8 is there in which option, students? Yeah, it is there in second option. So, our answer is option 2. We have to mark option 2 as the correct answer. Understood, students? Very good. Now, let's try to understand the next question. Look at the next question, students. Question number 5. The digits 20531 are given. Okay, let me write those digits over here. 20531. These are the given digits, students. By using all the digits without repetition, form the greatest and smallest number. And then find the difference between these two numbers and write the digit at the hundreds place. Okay, so these are the digits which are given to you. They have asked us to form the smallest and the greatest number. Yes or no, students? Where repetition is not allowed. So let me write the greatest number, student, first of all. So I told you in last lecture, in order to form the greatest number, which order you are supposed to follow? Ascending order or descending order? Yes, students, one has to follow the descending order. Now let us follow the descending order. In case of descending order, which number will come first? The greatest number will come first. So over here, the greatest number is 5. So let me write this digit 5 first. After 5, which number will come? Yes, 3 will come. After 3, 2 will come. Yes or no? And then 1 and finally 0. So the greatest number is 53,210. Yes or no, students? Very good. Now, in order to form the smallest number, smallest 5-digit number, students. Which order will you follow? Ascending or descending? Yes, one has to follow the ascending order. But in that case, students, which digit you will consider first? Whether 0 you will take first? Yes or no? Yes, we cannot take 0 at the first place. Why? Because 0 doesn't carry any value. It will come as a second digit. So the first number will be 1. We need to consider 1. After 1, 0 will come. Okay. After 0, which number will come, students? Yes. 2 will come. Yes or no? So 1, then 0, then 2, then 3 will come. And finally 5. So the smallest number is 10,235. Now students, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to get the difference in between the greatest number and the smallest number. Yes students, that will be the next step. Now let's take a difference. Let me write these numbers over here. Again, the greatest number is 53,210 and the smallest number is 10,235. Now let us take a difference. Students, come on, tell me, 0 minus 5 is possible? No. Let us borrow. This will become 10. This one will become 0. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again, 0 minus 3 is not possible. We will borrow from this 2. So this 0 will become 10 and this 2 will become 1. So 10 minus 3 is 7. Again, 1 minus 2 is not possible. Let us borrow from 3. So this 1 will become 11 and this 3 will become 2. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 5 minus 1 is 4. So difference is 42,975. Yes or no? So what is the final? What is the final question? What they have asked us? Find the difference between these two numbers. Yes, we have found out the difference. And then they have asked us write the digit at its hundreds place. Now at the hundreds place, which digit is there, students? Yeah, the digit is 9. Yes or no? So what is your answer, students? 9 is there in which option? Yeah, it is there in option number 3. Understood, students? This is how this question is to be solved. Now look at the next question, students. Question number 6. What is the sum of the smallest 2-digit positive integer and greatest 2-digit negative integer? Yes. So can anybody tell me? Yes, the smallest 2-digit positive integer is what? Yes, it is 10. Yes or no? And what about the greatest 2-digit negative integer? Negative integer means what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yes or no, students? Minus 6, so on and so forth. So they have asked us the greatest 2-digit negative integer. So 2 digit starts from where? 10. So minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. So in that case, the greatest 2-digit integer is minus 10. So students, they have asked us to get the sum of these. You very well know that 10 and minus 10 are the opposite numbers and the sum of opposite numbers is 0. So 10 plus minus 10 is equal to 0. So our answer is 0, which is there in which option, students? Come on, tell. Yes, it is there in option number 4. Understood, students? Yes. Look at the next question, students. Question number 7. The question is, which is the greatest integer of the following? And the options are: first option 25, second option minus 20, third option 15, and fourth option is minus 100. Now students, as we have to find the greatest integer from the following, negative cannot be the greatest integer. Now the question is of 25 and 15. So tell me, students, 25 and 15 both are positive integers. So which one is the greater one? Of course 25. So the greatest integer from the given options is 25. So we will mark option number 1. So option 1, that is 25, is our answer. Understood, students? Very good. Now look at the next question, students. Question number 8. What is the type of decimal representing of a rational number from the following? The first option is non-terminating and recurring. Second, non-terminating and non-recurring. Third, terminating only, and fourth is non-terminating. I told you, rational number means what? Rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in numerator and denominator form, wherein the value of denominator, it should not be equal to 0. Its decimal representation is non-terminating and recurring in nature. And as far as irrational number is concerned, yes, in case of irrational number, the decimal representation is non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, students, so what will be your answer? Yes, the decimal representation of a rational number from the following is non-terminating and recurring. This option you are supposed to mark. Okay, first option is the right one. Understood, students? Now look at the next question, question number 9. Root 99 is dash as well as dash. Choose from the alternatives. First option is rational number, second is irrational number, third one is integer, and fourth one is real. So what do you think, students? What can be the answer? We have to choose any two alternatives. First of all, tell me, root 99, is it a perfect square? No, this is not a perfect square. So root 99, it will be considered as irrational number. And irrational number is also a set of, means it comes in real number. So this blank is to be filled by writing real. So root 99 is irrational as well as real. So we will be marking option 2 and option 4. Understood, students? So let me repeat it again. Root 99 is irrational as well as real. So one has to mark option number 2 and option number 4 as the correct answer. Now look at the next question, students. Question number 10. Yes. The rational numbers and irrational numbers together are dash numbers. Option 1 is real. Option 2 is prime. Option 3 is composite. And option 4 is even. So you very well know real number means what, students? Real number is a set of rational number as well as irrational number. It absorbs both the types of numbers, rational number as well as irrational number. As far as prime number is concerned, we learned in last lecture, prime number means what? These are those numbers which have not only two factors, that is the given number itself and 1. Such type of numbers we call it as prime numbers. Now come on, tell me, which is the only even prime number? Yes, we learned 2 is the only even prime number. Yes or no, students? What about composite numbers? Composite numbers are those numbers which may have more than two factors. Like take for an example the number 16. 16 has got how many factors? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, 1 itself. 16 is divisible by 2. Then it is divisible by 4. Yes or no? It is divisible by 8. And further 16 itself. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So that is what is called as composite number. The numbers which may have more than two factors are called as composite numbers. And even number means what, students? We learn even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, or any number which bears either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its units place. All such numbers are considered as even numbers. So as per the question, students, the rational numbers and irrational numbers together are dash numbers. Just now I told, yes, real numbers. They are real numbers because the set of real number, it includes rational number as well as irrational numbers. I hope you must have understood the things well. In the next lecture, we shall discuss the next exercise. So if you have understood the things well, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.